Are your car or truck seats worn out like mine are? If you have rips, tears, or your fabric is just faded, this video is for you. We have a simple DIY solution using neoprene style seat covers. These things are durable, waterproof, and they're going to give your car or truck a brand new look. Seat covers that I bought are from Rough Country. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for these myself. We're gonna get them out of the box and see what these things are all about. My truck is a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. Here are the years and models that these seat covers fit. I'll be sure to put my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description, and you can check out the ones that fit your vehicle. Roger, first impressions?
Well, it smells brand new, and it looks
kind of has that new car smell.
Has a new car smell. Looks pretty good. Got all the fasteners.
They're thick.
Okay, looks like we got a little instruction packet here. Rough Country. There we go. Oh, color pictures. Nice.
Nice. We're gonna need those. This is the first time we've ever put seat covers in a vehicle, so we're gonna learn together.
First one we're going to install is the driver's side.
I like that they're marked.
First thing we're going to do is take off the headrest. Voila. So the one we have here is actually a one piece. In the instructions, it shows a two piece. All right, first off, we're just going to slip the seat cover over, just like you're putting on a shirt.
The back part of the chair is slipped over like a t-shirt. Now we're going to attach the seat part of the seat cover. Here on the front of the seat cover, there are 3 straps with backpack style clips. And it looks like they just clip together. 1, 2, 3, one in the middle, 2 on each side. So these are going to go under the seat and clip together. We're going to fish the 3 in the back down under, and then we'll clip these together and we'll cinch them up. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3 straps in the back. Let's get those fished down there. It helps to have 2 people, guys. All right, and then we also have these S-hook straps. We'll figure out where those go in a second. Here is Roger taking the S-hook strap down between the plastic and the seat. He's just trying to find a spot under the seat on a piece of metal that he can attach this thing to. All right, here, try these.
Oh, pretty cool. Where'd you get these?
I got those at Harbor Freight, I think.
Wow.
Well, that's working. Did we mention we've never done this before? That should give you confidence. This is definitely a DIY project. There is no way for us to show you guys how we're gonna do this one. It's the same S-hook, except it's over on this side. We're just gonna fight it out. And guess we're gonna do that off camera. We ran this inside S-hook seat strap down on the outside of the seat belt, and it holds the seat cover pretty good. So here's our first look of kind of the finish there on that front seat. I think that looks pretty good. Let's get the back secured. I think we got 3 straps hanging down there to pull the back down. He's just going to run those 3 S-clips down underneath and attach it to some springs. We'll show you when we're finished.
Underneath the seat with the springs for the cushion, you can hook them onto there, or a piece of bracket underneath the seat. And it's pretty taut.
All right, let's get the headrest on there.
Hey, this is the headrest cover. Tag goes to the back.
Wow. It's got the hook and loop in there. Yeah.
Hook and loop, baby.
Nice.
Okay, we're going to start the same thing on this side of the truck. First thing, we're going to pull off the headrest.
While we're putting the passenger seat on, we're going to open up the back seat and lay it out in the sun. I think it's going to work better if it's warm.
Okay, just like the other side, we're going to start off and just slip it over just like a t-shirt. Okay, now on the bottom of the cushion here, or the seat cover, we have 3 backpack style straps. They're going to connect under the seat and attach together underneath here. All right, 1, 2, 3. There's 2.
All right, I think the hardest part of this whole installation is fishing these down in and getting them to connect under there.
Can your arms fit in there?
No, my big hands.
I got it. It's back in there.
Make sure you find a friend who has small hands to help you out.
I do not have small hands.
I think where these seat covers are really going to shine is if you have pets like a dog. I'm not sure that's really a dog, but this will keep the dirt off of my seats. What do you think, Jolie? Do you like them? Dog approved.
Now we're going to use a pry tool again and tuck it in, same as the other side. All right, looks good. All right, finally, we have the 3 back straps. These have a hook on them, and you're just going to find something underneath the seat to hook it to. Okay, moving on to the back seat, we have 2 seat covers, 2 back seat covers, and 3 headrest covers. So we've had these sitting in the sun for a little bit. Looks like it's about the same. We got 3 backpack style clips, 2 here, and then actually we have 4, 2 that go across.
Oh, nice.
Okay. We're just going to pop out the headrest here.
All right, guys, here is a quick little hack. I don't know if you have an F-150, but in order for this seat to lay down, you have to reach back to your elbow to get this little strap. I actually have a piece of paracord attached to mine, and I have it over this headrest. So we want to make sure we don't lose that. I think what our plan here is we're going to actually do the bottoms first, and then we'll put the tops on. What do you think?
Sounds great.
All right.
So we've got the cover on. We're going to attach the straps now. So you have 2 coming this way from front to back, and then 2 going across. We'll do front to back first here. Easy. You have a lot better access when the seats come up like this for sure. Get it centered a little bit.
What do you think of my floor liners there, Raji?
Well, they look like they're in pretty good shape. How old are they?
You know they're 5 years old.
Wow.
5 years old. I did a review video for these not too long ago. If you guys want to check these out, I'll put a link to these in the video description. I think they're called X-liners. All right, let's play a little game. What do you keep under your back seat?
Let's see what you got here, Fred. All right, we got an axe that comes in handy. Looks like a little splitting axe. First aid kit, always a necessity. A little safety vest, safety strap, towing strap, I mean. A nice softball hearing glove. Oh, look at there. That was hiding. Always useful saw.
Right? And then I got a pair of gloves. I got a nice warm pullover sweatshirt. I've got a bug. It's like a bug pullover. I got another pair of gloves. Got an American flag. It's kind of like a scarf. And bungee cord. What do you guys think about this stuff? Let me know in the comments below what you have under your back seat.
All right, same as the other side. We're gonna slip this on. We're gonna tuck these in. We're just doing some tuning on the bottom here, making sure that all our straps are tight. Okay, we're gonna start with the double seater here. There's my little ripcord has disappeared. Oh, there we go. All right.
Wow.
Okay. So this is neat. It has the hole here
Oh, for the latch.
for the latch. You know, I have to say these are pretty decent on the form fitting. Okay, so what I'm doing now is feeding through this thin material here. This is going to pass through in between the top and bottom of the seat.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay.
This has hook and loop. It's the hook part, and it attaches to that thin material, and we just pull them together. The back headrests do not have the hook and loop. They just kind of pull over with elastic bands.
Now we're going to install the smaller side. Slide it over just like a t-shirt. Should be a little bit easier. All right, everything is installed. Let's go through and tell you what we like and what we don't like.
Let's start with what we like. These things fit great. The fitment is awesome. They were easy to install and they feel nice and thick. I like all of that. What we don't like, Roger, show us what we don't like.
One thing we don't like is the pock marks that are in the foam in these seats. Now that's just from shipping with things pressing against each other. Hopefully in time it will straighten out, but we'll find out. Another thing that we don't necessarily like is these pieces on the seat here used to be 2 and now they're 1. So this doesn't allow this to fully fit into the seat. That could bother some people.
Here are some before and after pictures for you guys. My truck is 10 years old, and even though it only has 69,000 miles, my seats were looking a little worn out. I had the hole in the driver's seat from climbing in and out of the truck. That is all repaired now with my DIY project here, these rough country seat covers. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this something that you think you're gonna try out?